Hey there, Rave fam. Welcome to my channel, where today we're diving into the heart of the electronic dance music universe. I'm thrilled to be your guide as we dance under the electric sky and explore EDC Las Vegas 2023 Day 2. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for all new EDC Las Vegas content. Now, who am I most excited to see today? You. That's because today is our Rave Tour Guide Meetup. So grab your beatbox and kick back because we're in for an unforgettable adventure. EDC Las Vegas needs no introduction. It's one of the most legendary festivals in the world, and Day 2 is where the energy reaches its peak. It's the night when the entire festival transforms into a paradise of pulsating beats, vibrant lights, and an electrifying atmosphere. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before we dive into the experience, let me share a little insider knowledge. EDC Las Vegas has an incredible history, and it has grown from a humble gathering into a global phenomenon. The impact it has had on the rave community is immense. The peace, the love, the unity, and the respect you'll witness at EDC Las Vegas is truly unmatched. I'd love to hear your stories of what you experienced or what you witnessed this year or in previous years at EDC Las Vegas. Feel free to comment below with your authentic and genuine experience. Please know, I'm really interested in hearing both positive and negative experiences. Alright, let's take a virtual tour of the festival grounds. From the kinetic field to the neon garden, EDC Las Vegas boasts mind-blowing stages, awe-inspiring art installations, and immersive environments that will transport you to another world. The attention to detail is breathtaking, and the production values will leave you in awe. At downtown EDC, we ran into a good friend. I'm so glad we did because I wanted to give her a pair of earplugs and a fan for her first EDC. Carla, if you're watching, so happy that we were able to see each other under the electric sky. Wow, this year the festival grounds are jam-packed with stuff to do and different things to see. Now, I want to share a special moment from EDC Las Vegas, our meetup. As we all know, the rave community is incredibly tight-knit, and I couldn't be more grateful for all of you that support my channel. So, I organized a meetup at EDC and it was so sick.
Yeah, it's my second EDC. I'm from Colorado, and like kinetic field is like my favorite thing of all time. Yeah, it literally is. Like last year, the owl. Yeah. This year, the ants. Oh my God, it's great. Yeah.
What's your name? Where you from?
I'm Cam. I'm from New Orleans. Now I'm in Denver.
Yeah,
it's my fourth EDC. Oh my God, my first EDC though.
we had the tiki guys up here. Oh my god, that was mind blowing. EDC was just life changing. Yeah, so crazy. Hey, where you from? Hey, how you doing? I'm Kenneth, San Diego, California. Thanks, brother. Say hi. Let us know where you're from.
I'm Sparkle from Sacramento.
I had the opportunity to meet so many of you face to face under the electric sky. We shared stories, exchanged hugs, and traded candy, and it was a surreal experience to connect with fellow ravers who have been part of this journey with me. And honestly, I would say it made my 10th year at EDC Las Vegas the best year I've ever had. Meeting you all reminded me why I love creating content for this community. The energy, the positivity, and the love that radiated from each and every one of you was so inspiring. Thank you for your support, your kind words, and for being a part of this incredible community. I want to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who attended the meetup. Your presence made it truly memorable, and I hope to have more opportunities like this in the future. Together, we'll continue spreading the love and creating unforgettable memories at raves around the world. Now, let's talk about the main attraction, the performances. Day 2 of EDC Las Vegas 2023 has an incredible lineup that will have you dancing from dusk till dawn. From superstar headliners to rising talents, this night is all about the music. Get ready for mind-melting drops, uplifting melodies, and the shared euphoria of thousands of ravers coming together. Today, we're planning on seeing Boris Brejcha, Tiesto, Afrojack, and the surprise guest, John Summit. Little did I know we would be lucky enough to catch a special B2B set with Subtronics and John Summit, aka Subjonics. Let's go! Before you embark on your EDC Las Vegas journey, let me share some insider tips to make the most of your experience. Planning your schedule is crucial so you don't miss out on your favorite artists. Stay hydrated, wear comfortable shoes, and don't forget to take breaks when needed. And most importantly, take care of yourself and your friends. Look out for one another and practice responsible partying. For a more in-depth guide, don't forget to check out my Ultimate EDC 2023 guide with 30 plus tips for EDC Las Vegas. We've reached the end of our Insider's Guide to EDC Las Vegas 2023 Day 2. I hope this glimpse into the electrifying world of the festival has got you pumped and excited. Get ready to dance under the electric sky and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more epic rave content. Until next time, rave on!